Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. I have my mom joining us for a video. It's the first time she's been on one of my videos on YouTube, so it is really fun to have her. So as you know, I'm doing a video every day for the month of December. It has been a blast doing some holiday and Christmas recipes, and we're gonna make a cocktail today. My mom and I, we like to have a couple drinks with each other here and there. And so I had her come over and we're gonna do this super fun ornamentini.
Ornamentini.
Ornamentini. It's kind
Ornamentini.
Say that 10 times fast. So we have these little glass globe ornaments. You can get them at Michael's or the dollar store or Amazon. And so they are going to be our little cocktail. We're going to make it and then we'll pour it into here. And then we'll put the cap back on and they'll be so cute, look like an ornament. And then when you're ready to have these, we'll just pour it into our glass with some ice. So super festive and really fun to make for the holidays. So we'll get this all made up. It's going to be with vodka, Prosecco, cranberry juice, and orange juice.
Yum.
So all of our favorites. And so we will make this up. As you know, we're wearing matching aprons. We just love this apron. So we wanted to match and a little festive with our red shirts because it's the holidays. You can never be too festive. So we'll get these cocktails going. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe right below and click the bell button next to subscribe so you get a notification when I post a new video. Hopefully my mom will join me for more, so maybe some meal prepping videos. But for now, we're gonna make these cocktails. All right, so I have a little pitcher here and we'll mix it all up. I have my measuring cup. So we're gonna do some vodka first. It's kind of the main ingredient.
Lots of it.
We're gonna do a cup of vodka. So we're only making 6 of these, so we're gonna do a cup of vodka first. Ugh, it's kind of heavy. We're gonna do a cup of cranberry juice. My assistant can put that on the back counter. We're gonna do half a cup of orange juice. And then we have this cute little bottle. We love these.
We do.
We do. We love these tiny little bottles of Prosecco. So we're just gonna pour this whole bottle in.
We love the big bottles too.
We love all bottles of Prosecco. So it is all mixed up and I'm gonna pour it into our little glass ornaments. So I have a little funnel here because we don't want to waste any. So hold this, Mom.
Oh, this is so cute.
All right, so here's this one, and here's the little cap. Let's stick this on. And here's our little ornamentini. So we'll fill the rest of these up and they'll be ready to go. All right, so all of our ornaments are filled and they're so cute. These ornamentinis are just awesome. I got this idea from another YouTube channel, Flour, Eggs, and Yeast. Theresa made these and I told her I have to copy your idea and make these. They look so awesome and so festive. So thanks for the idea, Theresa. So we have our glasses and we're gonna add some cranberries. Oh, my assistant needs to be doing that. And we'll have a little bit of rosemary. Assistant, you're making a mess. We haven't even had one of these yet. All right. So, all right, I'm gonna take these out. There's yours. And then we're gonna pour these into our glasses. Couldn't wait. Perfect. Oh, mine didn't fit. I had too much ice. All right, look at these perfect festive cocktails. I'm so happy my mom joined me. Hopefully she comes and joins me again soon. And cheers, happy holidays.
Yummy. Good.
So good.